Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to my shop. I just want to show a couple of alternatives to shaper cutter storage. Some of these I've been using for over 2 decades, and it's an experiment. Let's head over to the cabinet below the cabinet and I'll show you what I've got. But one of the things I've been doing over the years, and this has actually worked out pretty well, I had a bunch of 7/8 inch dowels left over from a project sometime in the late 1990s, and I took some 1/2 inch MDF, bored some holes in it, and used that for shaper cutters. But as you can see, 7/8 inch dowels, there's a lot of slop there, so I got some plastic conduit, cut them to a series of lengths, put them over there, and use that, and that significantly reduced the slop or the potential movement. So I had some thoughts on that. First of all, this MDF, it takes up some drawer height, and I've got some shaper cutters like this one. These have roll pins in them, and they're just kind of marginal getting them up under there. I mean, there may be 3 millimeters between that top of that roll pin and the bottom of the drawer above. So I've been doing some experiments. What if I didn't want to drill a hole in the bottom, so I printed out some of these bosses. I just took the existing design and I counterbored it. On hand I had 1/8 inch thick, 1 inch diameter rare earth magnets, so I put them in the bottom, but I found that the 1/8 inch thick magnets, it just did not have any pulling power, or it tended to slide around on this. But this is a 1/4 inch rare earth magnet, so I bought 10 of those, printed a few of these things out and put them there. And this, you can slide them around, but you have to apply some force to it. They're difficult to get off. So anyway, I thought I'd just use that to recover some drawer space. Now how this will work in the long run, I don't know, but it doesn't seem to, even when I aggressively jar that drawer, it doesn't seem to want to move around. I just thought I'd share that with you. But anyway, I did print out a few more of these. This was the existing counter bore, and what I found is take a pin punch through and you can easily push this magnet out, but you can squeeze that in and the magnet stays in place just by friction. I think this will do for that, but whether it does how well it does on some of these large cutters, I don't know. I'll just have to see what I think. What I'm going to do is pull this out, because here I've got basically 3 millimeters between the top of this, one of these spacers for this finger joint cutter, and the bottom lip of that portion of the cabinet. So that'll get it down a little deeper, perhaps protect the cutters a little better. Anyway, I wanted to bury this deeper in the cabinet, and I think this will do it. All of these cutters will end up in this cabinet up here, and these will stay in this drawer, but I'm going to change this dowel rod unit out with these. Actually, I'll just try moving one of those, and this one doesn't even have a cutter in it, so you can move it if you apply some force, but I think this will work out okay. Just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful to you. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.